Best car ramps and experience today. Car ramps are essential tools for car enthusiasts and mechanics. They elevate vehicles for easy access to the undercarriage. Choosing the right ramp depends on your vehicle's size and weight. Steel, aluminum, and plastic are common materials used in ramps. List number 1, 12000LB GVW Polycar. The Ironton 12000LB GVW Polycar ramp set offers impressive strength and durability for vehicle maintenance. Built from high-quality poly material, these ramps ensure reliability and safety. With a weight capacity of 12,000 pounds, they easily support most vehicles. Their lightweight design makes them easy to transport and store. Perfect for DIY car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Advantages: strong and durable design supports heavy vehicles easily. No worries there. Lightweight construction makes them portable and easy to store. Non-skid surface provides excellent grip for safe use. Low-profile design fits various vehicles without scratching. Easy to use for quick and hassle-free car maintenance. List number 2, Widow Plastic Car Service. Elevate your car maintenance with Black Widow Plastic Car Service ramps. Strong yet lightweight design supports up to 10,000 pounds. These ramps lift vehicles 6.25 high, making oil changes easier. Designed with a 12 width for stability and safety. Ideal for home garages and professional workshops alike. Advantages: boost vehicle maintenance ease with Black Widow car ramps. Lightweight design allows easy handling. Durable plastic withstands up to 10,000 pounds per pair. Safe lifting height of 6.25 inches ensures comfortable access. Wide 12-inch surface suits various vehicles. Perfect for oil changes or repairs. List number 3, Hall 505156 Lift Car. Elevate your car maintenance routine with the Max Hall 505156 lift car ramps. Each ramp supports up to 3,250 pounds, ensuring stability and safety. The durable black design offers a sleek look and reliable performance. Perfect for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Easy to use and store, these ramps make car care a breeze. Advantages: elevate your car with ease using Max Hall ramps. Designed for strength, each ramp supports 3,250 pounds. Safety and reliability. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Built to withstand heavy loads. Ideal for various vehicles. Convenient design allows easy storage. Compact and space-saving. Perfect for garage or workshop. Simple setup saves time. Quick to assemble. No complicated instructions needed. Secure grip prevents slipping. Enhanced stability. Keeps your vehicle safely elevated. List number 4, 4-ton 8,000 pounds solid. Discover a reliable way to maintain your vehicle at home with the Rockland 4-ton car ramp set. Strong and durable, these solid steel ramps support up to 8,000 pounds. Perfect for oil changes and repairs. Measuring 35LX13WX9H, they fit most cars and trucks. Easy to use, making home garage tasks simpler and safer. Invest in quality and convenience with this heavy-duty ramp set. Advantages: effortless car maintenance at home becomes possible with sturdy ramps. Rockland ramps provide easy access for oil changes and repairs. Their solid steel construction supports heavy vehicles securely. Ideal for trucks, these ramps ensure stability during maintenance. Compact design fits well in any garage space. List number 5, car ramps for lift. Experience effortless vehicle maintenance with Roblox car ramps. Designed for low chassis cars, these ramps offer a sturdy, supportive lift. Their portable, low-profile design fits seamlessly in any garage space. Crafted from heavy-duty materials, they ensure safe and reliable use. Each ramp measures 17.5 inches by 10 inches by 3.14 inches, making them perfect for various tire sizes. Enjoy easy access and efficient maintenance with this practical tool. Advantages: easily handles low chassis cars with its low-profile design. Perfect for those hard-to-lift vehicles. Lightweight and portable, making storage simple and transport convenient. Ideal for quick setups. Provides heavy-duty support for safe vehicle maintenance. A stable choice. Effortlessly supports jacks, boosting efficiency during repairs. Saves time and effort. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use in any garage setting. Reliable for years.